Let's have a look at QANX, my Friday update. I do QANX. Again, I was thinking QANX is coming for the support for this trend line. It's coming to test it again and again, and we came underneath the point of control. I'm just going to update the volume here, actually. I can't remember what I said actually last week. Did I say another swing failure? Probably. Look, let me have a look. I have to go back and have a look, don't I? Let's quickly have a look at what I said last week. Minus the volume. I'll put the volume on. There you go. I put a swing failure there. Look at that. And my volume is low, so you can't see it. There it is. Looking for reversal. And so right now, I'm really just focused on this weekend. I don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea. I really don't. But this is the level, the previous week low. And as long as we don't close lower than the previous week low, I think this is going to be a reversal candle for next week to be green. And we could see a reversal in this wick. All right, there you go. That was last week, wasn't it? And did we close lower? Nope. Did we get a swing failure? Yes. It wasn't too bad. I guess I was right, wasn't I? Sometimes I'm right. So there was a bit of insight for a lot of people there. I just marked that off. You saw how I marked that. We're up 8%, 8.5% from that level that I marked out in last Friday's stream. It's okay, yeah. So it's all right. We didn't close lower. Look, we took out the low. We took it out again, and look, we're trading back above the point of control. Let me update the volume here. Any changes? Nada. Nothing. No changes in the volume, as you can see. So again, we're still getting quite low volume, but we are getting interest. We are getting buy-ups at the lows. People are buying the lows, which is good. We're still not getting that crazy volume that we want. I guess we're still just waiting for the mainnet. We are putting in volume in this area. This is the right area to put volume in. It's the point of control. But ideally what you want to do, again, as I've always said, is flip the point of control into support, which we haven't done yet. We are just kind of taking the lows and buying up, taking the lows, buying up, filling gaps. That's it, really. So we are looking at a green week potential, unless we have a crazy sell-off this weekend. No one can predict that. We are looking at a green week for a reversal. And if we do get a green week, then we're going to get a brand new weekly level, and then we have a chance to really continue the reversal. Let's have a look at this weekly candle and see how that forms. I'm looking to see if it's a piercing reversal candle. That means that this weekly candle has to close above the 50 fib. And I'm just going to mark it off for you there. It's 2593. There you go. So if the weekly closes above the 50 fib of the previous weekly body, piercing candle. That would be a piercing candle. That would be a bullish reversal candle. The beginning of a bullish reversal candle. If you see that, that would be really nice. That will also be a nice close above the point of control. Let's see if that happens. I'm not sure. Can't tell. Okay, we have to wait until Sunday. Again, I want to see more volume. Volume is really important, especially when you're looking at reversals. And so, yeah, the volume is pretty... It's okay in a sense that you've got this big higher time frame correction. See the big, what is it? This big higher time frame correction. And you're getting like decreasing volume. Usually that's what you want to see, like decreasing volume on higher time frame corrections. But right now on this weekly time frame, we want to see the greens to have more volume, not less. And so last 2 weeks we saw decreasing volume. You see decreasing prices, decreasing volume. That's not bearish, that's actually bullish. And that's why you get the reversals in this wick fill. And so now we just have to see what happens next. Okay, so we're kind of possibly trying to bottom here and find support. That's basically what I've got for QANX. Very short update. Let me have a look at the QANplatform. X page. You guys don't know where I am. I'm in El Tunco in El Salvador. I'm back in El Salvador. I'm going to Colombia next week. And so my next Friday stream, I think it's been Friday the October 31st, is going to be from Bogota in Colombia. That'll be interesting. I'll have to report back and tell you what's going on there. I'm heading into the Amazon jungle. So the week after I'll be deep in the Amazon without any connection to the real world. So we have to see how that plays out for me. This is the QANplatform X page. Okay, just some updates, not really interesting. We are thrilled to announce that QANplatform has joined blockchain. This is October the 21st. Has joined blockchain for Europe, the leading European trade association representing the global blockchain industry. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? The involvement of QANplatform strengthens the association's advocacy for a secure and innovative European blockchain ecosystem, bringing expertise crucial for navigating the evolving threat landscape and unlocking new opportunities for businesses, governments across the continent. QANplatform joins over 30 other industry leaders within blockchain for Europe, adding its expertise in quantum-resistant blockchain technology to the association's collective advocacy. You could read more there. All right, so I don't know. It sounds good, though. I don't really know. Anyways, a little bit of news there. I guess people are still waiting for the big news, which is the Mainnet. Let's have a look at the Telegram channel while I'm here. Oops. Where is it gone? This is Telegram. If you're not in it, why not? Oop. Oh, my Telegram's a bit messed up. Let's kind of minimize that. Lots of chat. Not much interesting things. How is it? Good morning, everyone. So just read the Google article about their Willow quantum computer. If people think the risk from quantum computer is years away, they are surely wrong. The rapid pace of quantum computer evolution is scary now. I agree. And he's put some links there and lots of other things here. Crisscross. He's posted a link here in German about Liechtenstein. And he knows the CEO of Telekom Liechtenstein. Anything else? Anyway, there's lots of posts here. There's also another group here which I'm in, which is the trading platform. This is quite interesting. I brought my family in. Some don't even know yet. That's quite funny. My family, my entire family is in. Even my whatever. All right, that's quite funny. Lots of funny things here. Oh my God, look at this guy. Every day should be a QANX buy day. This guy's been buying. Oh, there's one sell there. Why are you selling? I can't wait to see the God candle. Let's go. So if you're not joined a member of this channel, you should join. It's, I don't know what the link is. Oh, there's a link. All right. There you go. All right, that's QANX. Actually, let me just go back to the charts for a second. I just want to see what, I mean, again, no one really knows what's going to happen next, right? Let's just see what happens with this weekly piercing, right? That's the next thing we want to see. Do we get a weekly close above this 50% fib or not? And then we do definitely want to see the point of control flip into support. We want to see that. What does that look like? It's exactly what it looks like. You go up and you test, and so you look at it and it looks like it's being held as support. Does that make sense? That's what it looks like. It doesn't have to take long. It could just be in one candle like that. But you want to see a test where the point of control acts as support. We're not getting that at the moment, but eventually that's what we want to see. We want to see a test, and then we want to see a nice clean test of the point of control. Once you get that, then that's the confirmation. Oh my god, this mosquito is killing me. Once you see that, sometimes you get like a double test or whatever, or sometimes it just kind of hits. But once you see the point of control acting as support, that's going to give us the confidence that we need, that we can go up. And right now, actually, looking at this move, it looks quite impulsive. It looks very impulsive. These lots of greens. Look at that impulse. It's quite impulsive. So this could be like a running flat, potentially. Who knows? Could that be the first impulsive move? This first, bam, this impulsive wave. There. It's like, looks quite impulsive. Could we be seeing like a little bit of a running flat here? Who knows? Could be. But I expect the mainnet announcement is going to be really impulsive, isn't it? So I'd like to see when that happens. Hopefully it's going to happen quite soon so we can get out of this range and smash the higher prices. Really, that's what we need. Increasing volume, increasing prices. Generally speaking, when you see an impulsive move, it is from the lows. And we are, as you can see, we've taken out some lows here. That's a low. We've taken that out. Could we go down and take it out again? Of course we could. We could even take out these lows. That would look terrible, but at the same time, that's when we want to see some crazy impulsive move if that was to happen. I've talked about that in previous streams. All right, that's my weekly QANX, and hope to see you next week from Colombia. I'm going to move on.